Calm yourself down with relaxing images and videos.
This is exactly nature, as you can see here. This is a small tiny bay in one of the cleanest area in United Kingdom, Solihull. It's in West Midland. Very nice. Look at the dogs. They're enjoying themselves. Oh, that's good. Look at them. Just enjoying themselves. You can see. It's lovely. Okay, guys. Just to reflect, meditate this morning, and I'll see you soon. These are wonderful swan found at the lake, Solihull Park Lake, Endon Park. This is marvelous. They are just eating some bread crumbs that people throw away. This is marvelous. Wow, look at that. Look at this one. They're all over the lake. Look, brilliant. It's wonderful. It's the nature. You can see them there, all over the place. And, it's marvelous. Alright, I'll update you soon. Take care. I hope you enjoyed the
Like, subscribe and share for more
clips. Thank you.